Hey everybody, I'm Jason Catrone, your country crooner.
And I'm Gage Briney.
And we're gonna do some sidewalk karaoke.
Yes, let's do it.
Here, come on in here.
Perfect. Yes.
Join us here in the center.
Don't be shy. We're gonna get you on camera here. You're making your debut. Right here. Yes.
What's your name?
What is your name?
Zoe.
Zoe?
Zoe.
Love it.
Nice to meet you.
Love
What's
it.
your name?
Gage.
Gage.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Gage.
she's interviewing us.
Jason.
Jason and Zoe.
Jason.
She's interviewing us.
I know, right? Where are you from?
I love it.
Where are you from?
UK.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, I
Okay.
can listen to you talk all day.
Just
All
here on
day.
So
just here on holiday.
Can we go over on these little Evans?
We're gonna do blind karaoke, okay? So you're only gonna hear the music and you have to try to sing the lyrics by
To the
memory
song that we play.
to the song. But I promise it's all popular songs and you're probably
Popular,
gonna know,
you're gonna know it
these
and
songs.
just make the words up. This is not about being good. This is about
Okay, is this on?
owning your moment.
It's on.
It's on.
Oh, it's on.
All right,
Okay.
you ready,
It's
Bella?
on. You ready?
You ready for
Right.
this?
I think you got
Are we
this.
ready,
Zoe.
Gage?
Yes,
You ready?
we are ready. You ready?
Everybody, Zoe.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know this one? Come on, this is on you. Come on.
You have to know this. This
You
is
have
your
to know.
people.
Yeah.
This is your people.
Come on,
here we
come
go.
on. Come on, sing.
You sing.
Yeah,
Not
you
started
sing.
yet.
You want me to go first?
Here we go. This is your moment.
If you want to be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you want to be my lover,
Yes.
you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is.
All right, it's all you now. Go.
Dun-na, dun-na, na-na. I don't know the next
I don't know
lyrics.
that part.
You gotta know it. You gotta
You
know
have
it.
to know this. If not, they
Help
won't
us.
let you back into
We're
UK.
poor Americans. We don't know.
My friends.
Oh, look.
Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you want to be my lover,
You have got to give. Taking
it's
is
too easy, but that's the way it is.
Now what you think about that?
Now you know how I feel.
Yeah! Can handle my love.
Is it for
Is
real?
it for real?
Oh, we harmonized.
Hey, Steve!
We even had some
I'll
harmonies
give
on
you
this
a
one.
try. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye.
Hey!
What I really, really want, so tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna.
I really want to take a cig.
If you wanna be my lover,
You gotta get with my
you gotta get with
friends.
my friends.
Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover,
You have got to give.
It is doing. Oh, this is the best part.
part.
Story from A to Z. You wanna
Get
get
with
with me?
me, got Alyssa Kimberly, we got Emma.
Oh, she knows it.
She
She knows it.
Needs to be. She's
The real lady.
It ain't easy, people.
Tell me about it down and why it's all around.
Tell me about it now, the water's all down. You gotta get with my friends.
Woo!
Make it last forever.
Hey!
Friendship never ends.
Oh.
You have to give,
Take it. It's too easy.
but that's the way it is.
Oh my God, they keep going.
Oh my gosh. How did these girls dance so much in these songs?
You got it.
You got it. You got it. Go, go, go. Oh my God, that was the best.
Gage, that was so fun.
I had such a
We
good
had some
time.
amazing contestants today on Sidewalk Karaoke. Huge thanks to Big Machine and Spike Coolers.
We love Spike Coolers.
Hey, donate in the side by side. Watch for us on the streets of Nashville for Sidewalk Karaoke.
Thank you so much.